Hello guys, welcome back. So you guys know Bansuri mega song, right? And that song has a beautiful flute melody on into music. So in today's video I will show you how to play that beautiful flute melody through our flute. Okay, so I have done a video about how to play the chorus part of that song also. So if you guys need, you guys can watch it also. So today I'm using my double G flute, which means C scale flute, and I think the original music of that song has played on F middle scale flute, which means when you close these first three holes it plays F note, but today I will show you how to play it on our C scale flute. Okay, so I will play one time and then I will show you how to play it by line by line. Let's get started. Okay, so let's learn now how to play it by line by line. First line goes like, starting from dha, dhani sari, ga ma ga dha, dhani sari, ga ma ga dha, right? After playing dha, you need to come to pa like dha, dha, like dha. One more time. Like that. Okay, and then re ga re dha pa ma ga re. One more time. Re ga re dha pa ma ga re. Both lines. And then sa re sa da pa dha ga pa, sa re sa dha pa dha ga pa. All parts. And then re ga re pa ma ga re sa ni dha. Re ga re pa ma ga re sa ni dha. One more time. All lines. And then da ga re ga ma ga re, dha ga re ga ma ga re, re ga re sa re, da ga re ga ma ga re ga re sa re, sa ne dha ne. Okay. Sa ga re ne sa, sa ga re ne sa. Dha ni dha pa ga, sa ga re ne sa, dha ni dha pa ga. One more time. Okay, so one more time, whole parts. That's it guys. So now you guys know how to play the flute melody of that song. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and comment what you think about this video. And also if you guys need more tutorials about anything, ask me comment section. So keep playing, keep practice, Thank you for watching.